Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing this NexR Full HD Smart Dash Camera. Stay tuned. So I got this dash cam because I got 5 days into having my 2020 Dodge Challenger and this happened. Yeah, you got it. I got stopped by the cops. Supposedly, apparently, allegedly, I ran a red light, which I seriously doubt it. I'm a pretty safe driver. I've had maybe 2 tickets in the 20 years I've been driving. And 5 days after getting this 2020 Dodge Challenger, I get stopped for a parking violation. So it was my word against his. What can I say? I mean, unless I want to fight it, I'm going to try to get deferred adjudication. But one of the ways I'm going to protect myself is installing this dash cam. This dash cam is also pretty good for insurance purposes. If somebody gets in front of you or they cause an accident in front of you and it's your word against theirs, well, you'll have this dash cam to back you up. Same thing for if a police officer stops you and says you didn't stop at the stop sign, you rolled a red light, whatever the case may be, you'll have something to back you up. So this one I got at Walmart. I want to say it costs about $80. There's some other ones you can get. They're a little bit fancier, a little bit higher. What I was attracted to more than anything on with this one was the low profile that it has when you install it. I don't want it to look like this handheld camera in the front of my dashboard. I want to be able to make it look as inconspicuous as possible. Okay, so let's open this puppy up and see what comes inside. To begin with, it says it's a full HD smart dash camera. It does come with a 32 gigabyte memory card. It has free cloud storage. So let's start off with the parts that are included here. Is this first one is the window mount Nexus 11 dash cam. You got your 12-volt power socket connector right here. You got your zip ties right here. These are your rubber straps. These are your adhesive rubber cable ties. Of course, your memory card, and of course your wipes to clean your area before you install it. It also does come with this cloud account. All this is a unboxing, and hopefully if there's enough light outside, we're gonna go ahead and try to install this today. All right, I'll catch you guys outside. All right, so I set up my camera here. It was really pretty simple. I used the adhesive that is on the mount there. I connected it. I just followed the instructions. It had about 3 different steps. I did tuck in the cable. The cable's going there. I tucked it in. I went and I ran it all the way across. It's pretty well hidden. You can see that there's a little cable going down there. I brought it down this way. There's a little bit of the cable showing. I brought it down through the side. I was able to tuck it in there. And then I was able to use some of their mounting brackets, which doesn't seem to be working too good right now. To hold the cable there, I put it underneath my rug. Then I brought it over here to my power.